things we do to make a wiring harness look halfway decent. So, putting the heat shrink over the wire loom up to where the connector meets. And this is for the radiator fan. Okay. So this, I'm gonna have to trim this. Yeah, I'm gonna have to trim this a little. So I made these connectors. A is going to be black. Just make sure. Let's see. Yep, A is black. That's in there. So there you go. Now, there you go. And this right here will be getting a yellow stripe of heat shrink. I'm going to cut this in half. I'm going to cut the heat shrink in half and mark it yellow. So the harness, so anyone that takes off this harness will know that the fan goes there.